Hi guys, if you want to rest your hand on the door panel and it doesn't work, in this case we have this ridge in our Lexus GX550 and it won't stay there. But we have a solution for this. The manufacturer is Primo Workz and this is the armrest. It goes between the glass and the door panel. And now look at this, guys. Much more comfortable. You can easily rest your hand on this armrest. You can move it on the panel and adjust it, so if it's more comfortable this way you can move it to the left a little bit. At some point it will stop working because of the handle, but this is probably the furthest that it can go, and this will give you an idea how it works. I find that in my case it works the best when it's close to the edge of the window. Besides that, guys, we have a couple of compartments for small items. You can put knives in here, coins, chapsticks, and the zipper compartment as well. I'll show you guys how it looks on this side. High quality materials, and also I'll show you that our window still works. So I will open the window glass. It doesn't obstruct the operation of the glass, and I will close it again. So very cool accessory for your Lexus GX550. If you guys are interested, we will leave you the link for this one in the description.